And you guys, today we are subjecting ourselves to the healthy Coke trend that I'm sure you guys have seen by now on TikTok. I would say today is gonna be a tea vlog, but I literally don't know what we're about to drink. I do know what we're about to drink, but I don't know that we're gonna be drinking a lot of it, but it's a healthy Coke vlog. Also, I know you can see my extensions. Oh my God, you guys. I kind of had a little bit of a beauty catastrophe. Is this the vlog part? I once again applied a lip plumping lip gloss today. I don't know what I was thinking. I was like, you know what? I'm gonna try a new one. It's never worked out for me in the past. Like, I swear, I think I'm allergic to like whatever it is that is in plumping lip glosses. A couple years ago, I tested out a jellyfish plumping lip gloss, and now that I'm thinking back on that, like, was that supposed to actually have like jellyfish material inside of it? Do you know what I mean? I used to be able to use plumping lip gloss. I think I used the Doo-Wop Venom one, and I swear every time I say this, it sounds dumb. Cause I'm like, how could they put like jellyfish stinger stuff in makeup? And then like I was thinking like the Venom one, does it actually have snake venom in it? But like, how could they do that? But I do know that there is like bee venom products out there. So maybe it is. Maybe that's why I'm allergic to it, because I'm just rubbing snake venom all over my mouth. So then I tried to like fix it with lip liner, but now I think my lips look a little, crispy and overlined, you know? So just, if you see that, just pretend like you don't. Also, you guys, I really like my outfit today, but I started to realize that like all my outfits lately are looking the exact same, because they are roughly the exact same. I think I need to think about what to wear during the summertime. I love wearing like a little black dress, and I feel like it's so easy to accessorize with that. But then I feel like the last couple of times that I've worn a little black dress and a lot of accessories, like it more or less starts to all look the same. So I'm like, oh, I need to like spice it up a little bit. I need to go thrifting, you guys. I feel like that's why like I can't put together as good of outfits now as I used to be able to when I just had the world of thrifting. Let's get down to business. I'm gonna be trying the TikTok healthy Coke recipe, which I'm like, healthy Coke. It's 2 ingredients, 3 ingredients if you want to call ice an ingredient, because you are supposed to put it over ice. All you need is balsamic vinegar, and they say any flavor, any brand of sparkling water. That's what this is, just in case you guys haven't seen me talk about or drink Liquid Death before. I know it looks like it's a can of something else, but this is like some of their new, which they have sponsored me before. This is not sponsored, but they came out with new flavored sparkling waters not that long ago. So I picked the berry flavor. See, right on the can, you guys, it says sparkling water. I'm not kidding. Anytime I use these in TikToks or anything, people are like, well, that's not water. That's why it didn't work. Cause I've like used Liquid Death as like props a lot before in TikToks. Cause it's like, it looks so much cooler than any other like type of water, you know? That being said, I went with berry because I feel like in the deep recesses of my mind, I've heard before that like Dr. Pepper has berry flavors in it. There's like, what is there, like 35 secret ingredients in Dr. Pepper? And I thought berry, and I literally don't know what is in Coke. I feel like there's lots of like weird stuff in soda, you know, that like makes it part of its flavor. Although I don't understand like how there's kind of like not at least like a set recipe. Okay, Kermit, you're distracting me by only looking heavenward. To summarize the viral TikToks, it all started out with this girl saying that her Pilates instructor drinks this every single day instead of having a Coke. And I'm kind of like, oh my God, like life is short, you know? If you want a Coke, like just have a Coke. I feel like anything is healthy within reason. Like I'm like, I feel like if you just had like a Coke a day, like would that really make that much of a difference. I don't know. I have a cute glass here because I thought that that was funny. One of the TikToks I saw, they were like, you have to have a cute glass full of ice. And I was like, okay. And then they take balsamic vinegar and let's go ahead. Why did I just smell that? I wanted to like do the, that was anticlimactic. Also, no measurement given for the amount of balsamic vinegar. They just kind of pour a little in there. So that's what they do. They start it off, they pour it into the glass. Is that is way too much. Oh my God. I'm gonna do this on TikTok. I have my little bathtub that I drink out of. So you guys, I'm gonna, wait, oh, I've only put like Kool-Aid and stuff in this little bathtub cup. This is literally supposed to be a cup, you guys. You know those like anything but a cup parties? I feel like that's kind of what this bathtub is for. It's literally advertised as a cup. But when I've shown this in videos before, people are saying they use it for like their birds and stuff as a little bird bath, or how cute it would be for like Barbie dolls. Cause it actually, you push a button and then, oh, too fizzy. This is not going well. I know I'm gonna edit it out, but I feel like I just sat here for many minutes in stunned silence. Okay, maybe the little thing was not hooked on there. It's like getting stuck. Ah! Can you see it's stuck in the tube? Watch it work now that I have it pointed directly at the electronics. Oh, you guys, I don't think it's gonna work. Let's just go ahead and add the sparkling water. Oh, now the fizz, it does look like Coke, and that's what everybody says is like, whoa, it looks like Coke. It does look like Coke, but I would also argue, you know, if you had water, sprinkle a jar of dirt in it, stir it up, it's gonna look like a Coke. Like, just because something looks like a Coke doesn't mean it's at all gonna taste like a Coke. Because you guys, like, that's the thing about Coke, right? Is that it's full of sugar. That's like what makes Coke, I feel like, so delicious, and soda in general. Bottoms up! Cheers, Swamp Fam. Look at that. Oh, I think I added too much balsamic vinegar. Oh, y'all, it smells like vinegar and water. I don't... Why do I think it's gonna smell like a Coke? Okay, okay. Okay, I think I'm mostly just getting the sparkling water right now because I added a little bit more on top. Because right now I just taste sparkling water, no vinegar. Oh my God, I'm having a moment. Is there like health benefits to drinking vinegar? Because I know, don't they say like apple cider vinegar or something? Like you take a spoonful of that a day and you add 10 years to your life. Why am I going back for another taste? I feel like people, like both of the people I saw trying this, okay, they both were like, and it's so tasty too. And I was like, are you just like literally, I could not imagine how I wasn't just gonna like drink this and immediately spit it out into a little spitty cup, but I'm going in for technically my third sip. But I feel like definitely the first sip I took, it was not mixed together, so I really was just drinking sparkling water. Y'all, why do I like this? I have to say right off the bat, when you put it up to your nose, it really does smell like you're drinking an iced cup of vinegar. So I do have to say, I am a person that loves vinegar right off the bat. Like anytime I eat seafood, I'm dunking whatever it is like into malt vinegar. And I also love like bruschetta and other like, I don't know what you would call them, like sauces or dishes that have a lot of vinegar in it. So vinegar is a flavor that I do just love. And I feel like also on the palette of flavors, the food pyramid, I know flavors are not in the food pyramid, but I love sour flavors, bitter flavors, usually more than I love sweet stuff. I don't know if it's because I like vinegar. It's just, it's so, oh my God. You guys, I keep drinking this. If I thought it was like maybe not gonna give me a tummy ache, I would keep honestly drinking this. I just don't know about drinking vinegar because like years ago, I got like a tip online to just, oh, if you drink like a tablespoon of lemon juice a day, like I feel like they were like, oh, your intestines and everything, you'll be so much more like, you know, I don't know. I don't know why I thought that that was a good idea. I think it was like a skin thing plus like a digestion thing, and people were saying like, drink a tablespoon of lemon juice a day. And I was like, oh, okay, I like lemonade. And I started doing that. I think I did it 2 days in a row. And I was so sick at my stomach, like literally doubled over. My stomach was hurting so bad. And I know some people do all kinds of like, I don't even know if that's considered a home remedy, a life hack. I know lots of people do that and like they don't have any problem with it, but I feel like I have a gentle tummy. And so I just don't know like how good like just chugging balsamic vinegar is. But I could honestly keep drinking this. Anyway, I feel like I should say, and I probably should have said it 15 minutes ago, it does not taste like Coke, okay? It does not taste like Coke at all. I feel like there are some similarities to it in the fact that there's like a little bit of burn to it, which I feel like soda does have a little bit of burn. You're also getting like the carbonation. So I feel like that also kind of makes your brain think soda. But it does not taste like a Coke. It tastes interesting. Maybe it almost tastes like I'm drinking like salad dressing. I would say though, you guys, it is more effective than those cups. Do you remember those cups that we tried years ago where it was like, you smell oranges, but you're drinking water? And I feel like this, if you like how this tastes, I feel like you could drink more water this way, but then are you getting the full benefits of drinking water, you guys? Okay, one last sip. Like, I would keep drinking this. However, I would also say, if you're gonna drink it, keep a spoon nearby or like a stir stick or something. Because that is kind of the only thing is like, as the ingredients like kind of start to separate, it doesn't taste as good. Yeah, it honestly tastes the best when you kind of do get the vinegar flavor. You guys, I know y'all are gonna think I'm extra weird today, which fair enough. If you have balsamic vinegar and sparkling water at home, give it a try. I would, well, I can't say, you know what? I can't say that. I was like, I would definitely recommend berry over other flavors. Like literally why? I just don't really feel like lemon lime or something. Or like, I think even the original video, the person used like a guava La Croix, I feel like. And I was just kind of like, but how would that taste like Coke? I don't know. I don't know, you guys. Oh my God, I'm rambling today. It was honestly fun. I love like TikTok things like this where it's like stuff that most people just have sitting around in their house. So you can kind of like get in on the trend and try it if you want to. I would definitely say try it. If you try it, leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you love it or if you hate it. I'm gonna give this like an 8.5 out of 10. It's good. All right, you guys, that's it for today. Maybe I'm gonna like, should I do like some outfit? I was kind of trying to think about like 5 outfits for summer. I know I say I'm always gonna do this and then I always end up doing 5 million other things and I never end up doing it. But yeah, I kind of want to like see, I'm just staring into the closet right now. I kind of want to see if I can like maybe make some more colorful summer outfits. You guys, summer is the trickiest season, I feel like, for me to style. Like fall, winter, whoo, I can do that all night and all day. Give me summer and I just wear this over and over again, which it is cute. This is like one of my favorite vintage Betsy Johnson dresses, but I feel like I always like lean on these dresses when I like don't know what else to wear. Or like today also I spent a really long time on my makeup and then no time figuring out what I was gonna wear. Anyway, now I'm just rambling as if all the other moments of this video were not also rambling. But anyway, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today and for watching. If you try this, let me know. Leave me a comment. Let me know. Love it, hate it, somewhere in between. If you're not already and you'd like to be, hit the button down below. Subscribe, become a member of the Swamp family, and give an alligator its wings. I love you guys so much, and I'll be back again very, very soon. Bye!